Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shapr3D, and more to come. This video covers drawing 2 in Shapr3D on iPad. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Shapr3D on your iPad. Start with a sketch. You'll find Sketch on the left-hand side. Place your sketch on the front plane. This will automatically rotate your view to front view. Now select the Line tool and draw the lines as shown on screen. The exact dimensions and angles don't matter yet. We'll add constraints next. Simply follow along with what I'm doing on the screen. Select this line and make it horizontal. Perfect. Select the two angled lines and make them parallel. Now select the two horizontal lines and make them parallel as well. Lastly, select the two vertical lines and set them to parallel. Now we'll start adding dimensions. Select the left vertical line and enter 12 millimeters. If you want the dimensions to stay visible, open Constraint Settings and toggle on Always Show Dimensions. Select this horizontal line and set it to 4 millimeters. Select the two horizontal lines and set the distance between them to 4 millimeters. The distance between the two angled lines is also 4 millimeters. Set the overall length to 95 millimeters. Select the inner angled line and the horizontal line next to it. Set the angle to 40 degrees. The last sketch dimension is the length of the outer angled line. Set it to 75 millimeters. Your sketch should now turn green, which means it's fully constrained. If it isn't green, double-check that all constraints and dimensions are set. Now click Exit Sketch. You can rotate the view using your finger, or by using the cube in the top right corner. Click inside the contour. Use the blue arrow, or enter a value, and extrude to 50 millimeters. Perfect. The final step is adding fillets, also known as radius. Select an edge, make sure you select only the line, not the surface. Enter 2 millimeters. Looks good. Now select the outer edge and add a 6 mm fillet. Repeat this on the other side. Now repeat this on the other end. Select the outer edge and set it to 6 millimeters. Rotate the view, then select the inner edge and set it to 2 millimeters. You've designed a phone stand. Well done, you've transformed a 2D drawing into a 3D model. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the playlists for more drawings and tutorials, including other software. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you've finished them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.